Under the test menu, we'll be talking about drop caps. In this, the first letter will be bigger or large. Can you see it? Then, especially you see it, especially in newspaper, magazine. So to do it, you click. You type the text inside the text box as of length earlier. So I've already typed this text inside the text box. You can zoom it down with the zoom tool. Here is the text. So the next thing I will do is to come to text menu, drop caps. Can I see it? Click. Okay. So let's change it. Come to text menu. Use drop caps. Can you see it? Click on it. So you might want to change some things here. Depending on your this one needed, but it's not necessary. Let's leave it the way it is. Number of lines dropped. You see it, you can increase it. 5. Depending on what you want to do. Okay. The more the number increase, the more bigger the first letter will be. This is how it works. By default, it is 3. You can even reduce it. So depending on what you want to do, maybe leave it in 5. I think it's okay in 5. Okay, my alignment was set to data element was set to full justified. So this is how it works. Watch the next video on your screen to improve your creativity. Meet you in the next video. You're welcome.